The first day of spring has finally arrived. You can already feel the world coming back to life after a dormant winter stuck inside. The air smells fresh and green, and even the flowers are starting to peek through the winter debris. To commemorate this season, I've put together a lovely fresh cocktail that reminds me of early spring. While I was developing this recipe, I wanted something to evoke that crisp, fresh air of early spring, and also the grassy herbal smell of fresh vegetation growing. Cucumbers bring that perfect fresh and crisp element, while dill lends a nice grassy and herbal kick. Since dill can be quite a powerful flavor, I'm also adding some Greek yogurt to mellow out the cocktail. For the base spirit, nothing says spring quite like gin. It embodies all the fresh and botanical notes I am looking for to complement the flavors of dill and cucumber. For a little herbal note, I am also adding green chartreuse. To balance out the sweetness, I will also be adding lime and a touch of saline. Instead of infusing the cucumber and dill into the gin, I've decided to go another route to incorporating these flavors. I'm instead going to make a syrup. To preserve the freshness of the dill and cucumber, I will be making the syrup a bit differently. Instead of adding the fresh ingredients to hot water and sugar, I'm going to cold steep the ingredients first. First, I'm going to slice a cucumber into rounds. I'm leaving the peel on to give a bit more flavor. Then I will add them straight into my water pitcher. After I've added the cucumber, I'm going to grab a few dill sprigs. I'm just going to cut them in half so they fit better into my pitcher. Now I will fill my pitcher with water and let this sit in the fridge for a few hours to extract those flavors. I let this sit in my fridge for about 4 hours. While that infuses, I'm going to make a rich simple syrup, which is made by dissolving sugar into water at a 2-to-1 ratio. For example, I'm using a half cup of sugar and a 1/4 cup of water. I'm just adding them to the pan over a low heat until all of the sugar dissolves. Once all the sugar has dissolved, let the syrup cool, then transfer to another container and let it sit in the fridge until it cools completely. After my water has been sufficiently infused, I'm going to pour half of it into an ice cube tray and put it to freeze. Then I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of the infused water into the cold simple syrup. Mine needed a bit more flavor, so I proceeded to add another 1/4 cup of the infused water. To be honest, I was hoping for a stronger cucumber and dill flavor. It's there, but it's very mild. I'm glad I made the ice cubes with the infused water to bring more of that fresh flavor into the cocktail. start building the cocktail, I wanted to prep the garnish since it is a bit labor intensive. I've seen this woven cucumber garnish a couple of times on Instagram, and I think it's just so cute and perfect for the season. To make this garnish, it's best to build it on top of a piece of parchment paper. I started by cutting my cucumber in half and peeling off the green outer layer. Then continued to peel the cucumber into 6 strips. I then cut each strip in half. Then I started by laying 2 cucumber pieces perpendicular to each other. Each subsequent piece I would alternate laying over or under the bottom lengthwise piece. Then begin adding more horizontal cucumber pieces, weaving every other piece until every piece has been used. Then I just trimmed off the excess pieces to make it look tidy, and voila, the cucumber weave is done. Now we're all set to build the cocktail. First, I'm going to juice half a lime right into my shaker tin. I'm measuring it just in case, but it measured out exactly a ½ ounce. Next, I'm going to muddle 4 1/4-inch cucumber slices in my small shaker tin. Next, I will add 3 heaping bar spoons of full-fat Greek yogurt to the tin with the muddled cucumber. Now I'm adding that ½ ounce of lime juice to the shaker, followed by a 1/4 ounce of green chartreuse. Then I'm adding 1.5 ounces of gin. Followed by a ½ ounce of the dill cucumber syrup. And finally, 2 drops of saline solution. Before I shake this, I need to prepare the glass by affixing the cucumber garnish inside. To do this, I'm going to rely on the moisture of the cucumbers to stick to the glass. I used the parchment paper to press the cucumbers into the glass, then fill the glass with the dill and cucumber infused crushed ice. Unfortunately, when I poured the cocktail in, the liquid got in between the glass and the garnish and kind of ruined the effect. So I scratched that garnish and simply pour the cocktail over crushed ice and garnished with a dill sprig and a little cucumber fan. Which I have to say ended up looking really nice. This drink was so good. It's very reminiscent of a crisp spring day, which is exactly what I was going for. The freshness of the cucumber and dill really shine through, and the gin complements it perfectly. The hint of chartreuse gives this cocktail some depth, and the yogurt rounds out the texture and the flavor perfectly. It makes an excellent pairing for a Greek salad, too. I was disappointed the cucumber weave failed. If anyone has any tips on how to make this garnish work, please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to try it again. As always, thank you all so much for watching and subscribing. We have surpassed 200 subscribers. I am so humbled by your wonderful comments week after week and look forward to sharing more cocktail content soon.